Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Riya Study Circle. Before start the video, please do like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon. Today I am going to explain about 8th class maths chapter number 10 direct and inverse proportion, in that exercise 10.4 third, fourth, fifth problems. Let's see third problem. 24 men working at 8 hours per day can do a piece of work in 15 days. In how many days can 20 men working at 9 hours per day can complete the same work? Let's start the solution. First we have to write what is given in the problem. So what are the terms they given in the problem? We have to write men, time per day, number of days. These three quantities they given in the problem. Let's see. For 24 men, if they work 8 hours per day, they will complete the work in 15 days. Next one, 20 men, if they work 9 hours per day, within how many days they will complete the same work we have to find. Let us assume whatever the value we have to find, that as x. Now we have to write the ratio of these two terms, that is 24:20 and 8:9 and 15:x. Next step, we have to write the simplest form of this ratio. If we can cancel this in 4 table, 4 6 are 24, 4 5 are 20. The simplest ratio is 6:5 for this ratio. Next 8:9, we cannot cancel this. Next as it is we have to write 15:x. Now what we will do? We have to compare this number of days with the remaining two quantities, that is men and time per day. To find the value of x, we have to compare like this. So first let's compare with the men. See here men is decreases from 24 to 20. If you observe, if men are decreases, the number of days should increase. Very good. If men are decreases, the number of days to complete the work should increase. Same point we can write here. Men decrease, so number of days should increase. So now tell me which proportion this is, direct proportion or inverse proportion? If one quantity decreases with another quantity increases, that should be a inverse proportion. So we can write number of days is inversely proportional to number of men. So what we have to write in the next step, as I already explained in my previous video, that is in first and second problems. So same we have to write the ratio for this days and men. So for number of days, what is the ratio? 15:x equal to, what is the ratio of men? 6:5. But here it is inverse proportion, so we have to write the reciprocal ratio of 6:5, that is 5:6. So let's take it as equation 1. Next one, we have to see time per day. We have to compare with number of days. If you see here, time per day is increases from 8 hours to 9 hours. So number of days should decrease. Obviously, if working hours increases, the work complete within less days. So time increases, number of days decrease. We can write here time increase, so days should be decrease. So which proportion this is? One quantity increase with another quantity decrease. Obviously inverse proportion. So we can write days is inversely proportional to time. So again we have to take the ratio like this. For days, what is the ratio? 15:x equal to, for time, what is the ratio? 8:9. But here we get inverse proportion. So we have to write the reciprocal ratio of 8:9, that will be 9:8. So let's take it as equation 2. So next step, from equation 1 and 2, if you see, both equations have same LHS but different RHS. So we have to find the compound ratio of RHS. So we can write from equations 1 and 2, LHS is same, so same we have to write 15:x equal to, right side 5:6 and 9:8 we have. So we have to take the compound ratio of 5:6 and 9:8. How can you write? 5:6 is as 9:8. So what to do to find the compound ratio? Write as the ratio of the product of antecedents and product of consequence. So here antecedents are first terms, that is 5 and 9. Consequence are second terms, that is 6 and 8. 15:x equal to 5 9s are 45 is to 6 into 8 48. So we can write it as 15 by x equal to 45 by 48. Now let's do the cross multiplication. You will get 45 into x equal to 15 into 48. So this into 45 will come to right side, will become divided by 45. So x equal to 15 into 48 by 45. Now we can do the cancellation in 5 table. 5 3s are 15, 5 9s are 45, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 16s are 48. So what is the remaining terms? 1 into 16, that means 16 ones are 16. So x equal to 16. What is the x? Number of days. So what is the answer? X equal to 16 days. So we can write the final statement. Therefore 20 men 9 hours per day can complete the work in how many days? 16 days. Next, fourth one, 175 men can dig a canal 3150 meters long in 36 days. How many men are required to dig a canal 3900 meters long in 24 days? See the fourth solution. Let's write what they given in the problem. What are the quantities given in the problem? Men, canal length and number of days. So see here, if 70 men can dig a canal 3150 meters long, within 36 days they will complete the work. So next we have to find how many members has to work to dig a canal 3900 meters within 24 days. So within 24 days they have to complete the work that they have to dig a canal 3900 meters. So now what is we have to find here? Number of men we have to find. So let us assume whatever we have to find that as x. So next write the ratio of these two quantities, that is 175 is to x. Next one 3150 is to 3900 and next one 36 is to 24. Now we can cancel this in which table? 12 table. 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. So what is the simplest ratio of this? 3 is to 2. Now we have to cancel these two zeros left and right, and next one we can cancel this in 5 table. 5 6 are 30, 1 is there 15, 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35, 4 is there 40, 5 8s are 40. So 63 and 78. So again we can cancel this in 3 table. 3 21s are 63, 3 26 are 78. So what is the simplest ratio of this? 21 is to 26. This as it is we can write 175 is to x. In next step we have to compare this men with the canal quantity and also with number of days. So first we have to compare with number of days. If you see here, number of days is decreases from 36 days to 24 days. If number of days decreases, number of men should be increased. Very good. If number of days decreases, men should be increased. Let's write the same sentence here. Number of days decrease, so men should increase. In which proportion it is? Direct or inverse? If one quantity decrease with another quantity increase, then it is in inverse proportion. So we can write men is inversely proportional to days. So let's write the ratio of men, that is 175 is to x equal to what is the ratio of days? 3 is to 2. But here we have to write the ratio of inverse proportion. So we have to write the reciprocal ratio of 3 is to 2. So that is 2 is to 3. So let it take it as equation 1. Next we have to compare the men with the canal length. So if you see here, canal length is increases from 3150 meters to 3900 meters. So what will be the men then? If canal length is increases, number of men also will increase. If more length they have to dig means more men should require. So we can write the same statement, canal length increase, so men should also increase. So one quantity increase with another quantity increase. So which proportion this is? Direct proportion. So we can write men is directly proportional to canal length. So here what is the ratio we have to write here? Men ratio is 175 to x equal to canal length ratio is 21 to 26. Same we can write because this is not in inverse proportion, so we no need to write reciprocal of the ratio. So as it is we can write 175 to x equal to 21 to 26. Let's take it as equation 2. From equations 1 and 2 we have to do LHS, that means 175 is to x equal to RHS means 2 is to 3 and 21 is to 26. So we have to write compound ratio of 2 is to 3 and 21 is to 26. How can you write? 2 is to 3 is as 21 is to 26. How to do the compound ratio? The ratio of product of antecedents and product of consequence. So here 175 is to x equal to product of antecedents means 2 into 21 is to product of consequence means second terms of the ratio, that means 3 into 26. Next step, 175 is to x equal to 221s are 42 is to 3 into 26 is 78. So now we can write this ratio in division form, that is 175 by x equal to 42 by 78. Now do the cross multiplication, then you will get 42 into x equal to 175 into 78. This into 42 will come to right side, will become divided by 42. So x equal to 175 into 78 by 42. So now we can cancel this in two table. 221s are 42, 239s are 78. Now again we can cancel this in 3 table. 3 7s are 21, 3 13s are 39. Again with 7 table we can cancel this. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 3 is the remainder 35, 7 5s are 35. So 7 25s are 175. So what is the remaining terms? 25 into 13. So x equal to 25 13s are how much? 325. So what is the x? Number of men. So x equal to 325 men. So we can write the final statement. Therefore 325 men are required to dig a canal 3900 meters in 24 days. Next, see the fifth problem. If 14 typists typing 6 hours a day can take 12 days to complete the manuscript of a book, then how many days will 4 typists working 7 hours a day can take to do the same job? So let's see the solution for fifth problem. First we have to write the quantities what is given in the problem. So number of typists and hours per day and also number of days to complete the work. So first 14 typists working 6 hours per day can complete the work in 12 days. Next one, 4 typists working 7 hours per day can complete the same work within how many days we have to find. Firstly, write the ratio of given quantities, that is 14 is to 4, next 6 is to 7, next 12 is to whatever the value we have to find here, let imagine that as x. So 12 is to x. Now we have to write the simplest form of this ratio. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. So 7 is to 2 is the simplest ratio of this ratio. 6 is to 7 we cannot cancel. 12 is to x, as it is we have to write. Now what we have to find? Number of days we have to find. So we have to compare this number of days with the remaining two quantities, that is with the typist and also with the hours per day. So first compare with the typist. If you see here, typist number is decreases from 14 members to 4 members. If typists are decreases, number of days should increase. Very good. If men are decreases, number of days should increase. Now same like that. So we have to write the statement here. Typists are decreases. So that means number of days should increase. So in which quantity it is there? One quantity decreases with another quantity increases means obviously it is in inverse proportion. So we have to write number of days is inversely proportional to typist. Here typist is nothing but men only, no? If men are decreases, number of days should increase. So what we have to write here? The ratio of days and the ratio of typist. The ratio of days is 12:x equal to the ratio of typist is 7:2, but it is in inverse proportion. So we have to write the reciprocal ratio of 7:2, that is 2:7. Let's take it as equation 1. Next one we have to compare with hours per day. If you see here, hours per day is increases from 6 hours to 7 hours. If working hours increases, number of days should decrease obviously. If you work more hours per day, you can complete the work within less days. So same statement we have to write here. Hours per day increases means number of days should decrease. So it is in which proportion? Obviously one quantity increases with another quantity decreases means it is in inverse proportion. So what we have to write? Days is inversely proportional to hours. If you observe why I am writing only days to the left side and typist hours to the right side, means left side we have to get the constant, that is LHS side we have to get the constant value, that means 12:x. That's why I am writing like this. Whatever days is inversely proportional to typist or typist is inversely proportional to days, both are same. So as per our convenient we can write like this. So days ratio is 12:x and hours ratio is 6:7. It is in inverse proportion, so we have to write the reciprocal ratio of 6:7. So 12:x equal to 7:6. So let it take it as equation 2. So if you see from equations 1 and 2, we have to write 12:x equal to compound ratio of 2:7 and 7:6. How to write the compound ratio? 2:7 is as 7:6. How to find the compound ratio? The ratio of product of antecedents and product of consequence. 12:x equal to product of antecedents means 2 into 7 is to product of consequence means 7 into 6. Sorry, here 7 into 6. So now let's write 12:x as 12 by x equal to 2 sevens are 14 is 2 means we can write divided by 7 6 are 42. Let's do the cross multiplication of this. 14 into x equal to 12 into 42. This into 14 will come to right side, will become divided by 14. So x equal to 12 into 42 by 14. So we can cancel this in 2 table. 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7, 7 6 are 42. So what is the remaining terms? X equal to 6 into 6, 6 6 are 36. So here what is the 6? What is the x? Number of days. So we have to write x equal to number of days is 36 days. So final statement we can write here. Therefore, for typists working at 7 hours per day can complete same work in 36 days. Like this you have to solve this type of problems. If you want any shortcut method for this problem which will done within 1 minute for bits or competitive exams or also for IIT, you can use that. I upload shortcut methods in my shorts. If you want, you can see the shorts also. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts or if you want any problem with the solution, then please comment below. I will explain in my next videos. If you are confused to get my videos, then go to playlist in my channel. I will upload all my videos playlist wise, so you can easily find there. Thank you for watching. Please do support me by like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get my latest updated videos when I post.